Hello everyone, how to add signature in Google Docs. So let's start. First open your Google Docs, the docs.google.com. Okay. After that, go to the insert tab and click on the drawing, click on the new, and here you can see the one dialog box is open, drawing. In drawing, here in menu, just click on this drop down arrow to select the line, just click on it and select here the last option, scribble. Okay. Now draw your sign. So I just draw my sign here. That's it. So this is a way you can add the sign. After that, go to the right hand side and click on the save and close. And you can see your signature here added. You just drag with the corner point and you can set a small size signature. Okay. You can edit with the different option. Okay. You can see in edit, you can edit again here. Click on the three dot size and rotation also. You can set here size and rotation of your sign. Okay. So that's it. This is a way you can add signature in Google Docs. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you.